We do believe that video is king, content is king, and video is the future. Hi, I'm Kristen Graham from VideoMyJob. We're an enterprise video solution that helps organisations film, edit, share and track branded videos all from your smartphone in minutes. VideoMyJob's all about being authentic on camera, really providing your candidates or top talent in the market opportunity to learn more about your organisation, your hiring managers, and be able to make an informed decision before applying to the job. The problem in the industry is that job ads are boring. They're living in the 90s. Top candidates aren't living on job boards anymore. They're more in tune with social media and other platforms. So we've just developed a solution that's really simple, easy and engaging and effective to scale employee-generated content across your organisation. A lot of my time was spent educating CEOs and educating VPs of talent and HR to say that employee-generated content is far more engaging, far more authentic than those highly corporate polished videos. And Video My Talent is an opportunity for candidates to show their best foot forward. When you're selling jobs to people, people selling to people, it's really important to get your authentic story across. The future of work is coming fast and furious with so much technology in the world, but what's really important is humanising that process. We're not bots, we're people, and we want to be engaged into your stories, so bring your jobs to life. And like Nike says, just do it.